Assalamu alaikum. So this is question number 3. In this question, find the current I in the circuit. Okay, so this is very simple circuit, and in this circuit we have to calculate the current. Okay, so this is your voltage, and this voltage will give current I. Okay, and there are two resistors, 4 ohm and 11 ohm. Okay, so the easiest way is, the first way is first method 1. So method 1 is you just calculate the equivalent resistance. So this and this are connected in series, you just add it. Okay, so the circuit will be like this. It will be 4 plus 11 equals to 15 ohm. So it will be the resistor, and this is also 15 volt. So this is your voltage. Okay, so this is current I. So according to Ohm's law says that V is equal to I multiply by R. Okay, or I is equal to V divided by R. Okay, so I will be, what is V? V is 15, and what is R? R is also 15, and you just cancel out, it is 1. So answer will be 1 ampere. So I will be 1 ampere. Okay, so this is your method 1. In method 2 you can apply KVL also. In method 2, so what will be the KVL? Suppose this is your circuit. Okay, suppose this is your circuit. This is 4 ohm, this is 11 ohm, and this is 15. So how many mesh are there? There are only one mesh, so current will be this I. Okay, and you have to calculate this current. Okay, so what is the Ohm's law? Ohm's law says that R in matrix form, R multiplied by I is equal to V. Okay, so let us consider in matrix form. So what is R? R is the sum of all resistor in mesh 1. So what is the sum? 4 plus 11. So what will be the value? It will be 4 plus 11. 4 plus 11, it will be, it is 11 plus 4 multiplied by I. Suppose only one current I. And what is the voltage? Voltage is where you reach. This is first minus, this is plus. So you are coming, current will be coming here. First negative sign, then positive sign, then you will take positive sign. So it will be plus 15. Okay, so it is 15, it is I, it is also 15, just cancel out. So I will be 1 ampere. Okay, so this is another easiest method to calculate the value of current. So you have to remember, this is also Ohm's law, but in matrix form. Okay, for mesh 1, for only one mesh. Okay, so this is another method. So there are two methods.